Welcome to mantechhd. In this video we are showing you the all-new 2022 Nissan Frontier. The 2022 Nissan Frontier arrived earlier this year to replace its ancient predecessor in a truck segment that is very competitive. During the official debut of the pickup, the Japanese manufacturer only showed pictures of the Pro 4X model equipped with a high-clearance front bumper. Let's check about its production line, reviews, features and specifications as well as price. Finally, a standalone model for the North American market, the third-gen Frontier has entered production at the Canton plant in Mississippi. Based on the F-Alpha platform of the Big Boy Titan, the mid-size Frontier flaunts a slightly revised ladder frame that incorporates high-strength steel. The updates continue in the cabin as the Frontier features a higher quality interior with a more modern design. Highlights include zero-gravity seats, a 7-inch driver information display, and an 8-inch infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. The truck also benefits from acoustic laminated glass and additional insulation, which helps to reduce road noise. Entry-level models will likely come sparsely equipped, but higher-end variants offer heated front seats, a heated steering wheel and a 10-speaker Fender premium audio system. Customers can also get a wireless smartphone charger, a larger 9-inch infotainment system, and an intelligent around view monitor with moving object detection and an off-road mode that functions as a spotter. Speaking of technology, the Frontier offers an assortment of driver assistance systems including automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning and rear cross traffic alert. They're joined by lane departure warning, high beam assist, rear automatic braking, intelligent cruise control and traffic sign recognition technology. Power comes from a 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces 310 HP and 281 lb-ft, 381 nanometers, of torque. It's connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission, which can be paired to an optional 4-wheel drive system. Besides the powerful engine, the truck features a larger front stabilizer bar and new hydraulic cab mounts that reduce road vibration by 80%. There's also new urethane jounce bumpers for improved damping as well as a retuned steering system that promises faster responses and a better on-center feel. When you drive a truck with this many high-tech driver assist features, it's like you've always got a co-driver with you in traffic and on the trail. Frontier helps watch your back to give you peace of mind and confidence wherever you go. Intelligent around view monitor with off-road mode. Shift into 4 low and it automatically activates, giving you better views to help you steer around rocks and obstacles with ease and precision, with multiple view angles so you can conquer rock gardens like a pro. If we talk about safety of Nissan Frontier, it's available with Safety Shield 360 includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, rear automatic braking, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot warning, lane departure warning, high beam assist. Starting price of 2022 Nissan Frontier is $27,670. If you get some information from our video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd.